Hello students, number system and number operations, 5th class active math, lead app book, student book term 1, practice question number 5. 5.1 estimate the product for each multiplication statement. A 9 into 16, solve. Round off the numbers to the highest places. 9 rounded off to the nearest ones, 10. 16 rounded off to the nearest tens, 20. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 10 into 20 is equal to 200. So the estimated product is 200. B. 598 into 26, solve. Round off the numbers to the highest places. 598 rounded off to the nearest hundreds, 600. 26 rounded off to the nearest tens, 30. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 600 into 30 is equal to 18,000. So the estimated product is 18,000. C. 29 into 13, solve. Round off the numbers to the highest places. 29 rounded off to the nearest tens, 30. 13 rounded off to the nearest tens, 10. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 30 into 10 is equal to 300. So the estimated product is 300. D. 281 into 67, solve. Round off the numbers to the highest places. 231 rounded off to the nearest hundreds is equal to 200. 67 rounded off to the nearest tens is equal to 70. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 200 into 70 is equal to 14,000. So the estimated product is 14,000. 5.2 estimate the product for each multiplication statement. A. 681 into 126, solve. Rounded off the numbers to the highest places. 681 rounded off to the nearest hundreds is equal to 700. 126 rounded off to the nearest hundreds is equal to 100. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 700 into 100 is equal to 70,000. So the estimated product is 70,000. B. 57,045 into 234, solve. Rounded off the numbers to the highest places. 57,045 rounded off to the nearest 10,000 is equal to 60,000. 235 rounded off to the nearest hundreds is equal to 200. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 60,000 into 200 is equal to 1 crore 20 lakhs. So the estimated product is 1 crore 20 lakhs. C. 90,784 into 407. Round off the numbers to the highest places. 90,784 rounded off to the nearest 10,000 is equal to 90,000. 407 rounded off to the nearest hundreds is equal to 400. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 90,000 into 400 is equal to 3 crore 60 lakhs. So the estimated product is 3 crore 60 lakhs. Question number D. 319 into 18,105. Round off the numbers to the highest places. 319 rounded off to the nearest hundreds is equal to 300. 18,105 rounded off to the nearest 10,000 is equal to 18,000. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 300 into 20,000 is equal to 60 lakhs. So the estimated product is 60 lakhs. 5.3 solve the following word problems using estimation. A. An engineering college has 67 batches of students enrolled for the English class. Estimate the total number of students enrolled if each batch has 48 students. Solve. Batches is equal to 67. Total number of students is equal to 48. Round off the numbers to the highest places. 67 rounded off to the nearest tens is equal to 70. 48 rounded off to the nearest tens is equal to 50. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 70 into 50 is equal to 3500. So the estimated product is 3500. B. A football stadium can seat 43,762 people for a match. Estimate the total number of people if 172 matches were held in the stadium. People is equal to 43,762. Matches is equal to 172. Round off the numbers to the highest places. 43,762 rounded off to the nearest 10,000 is equal to 40,000. 172 rounded off to the nearest hundreds is equal to 200. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 40,000 into 200 is equal to 80 lakhs. So the estimated product is 80 lakhs. Question number C. Sheena planted 1050 apple trees on her farm. Every tree gave 95 apples. Estimate the total number of apples produced on the farm. Solve. Apple trees is equal to 1050. Apples is equal to 95. Rounded off the numbers to the highest places. 1050 rounded off to the nearest thousands is equal to 1000. 95 rounded off to the nearest tens is equal to 100. Multiply the rounded off numbers. 1000 into 100 is equal to 1 lakh. So the estimated product is 1 lakh.